U.S. Supreme Court heard arguments on a case that could have massive implications nationwide.
It is one of President Trump's key issues, birthright citizenship. And at issue, his executive order now challenging the idea of citizenship to anyone born on U.S. soil as laid out in the 14th Amendment.
The president's team argued before the court that right does not belong to the children born to parents who are in the country illegally or temporarily. Justices appear skeptical of the argument so far.
Do you think Native Americans today are birthright citizens under your test and under your friend's test?
I think so. I mean, obviously they've been granted citizenship by statute.
I can imagine it being messy on some applications. What if you don't know who the parents are?
I think there are marginal cases. That one, I think, has the benefit of being addressed in 1401F, where it talks about
Yeah. But what about the Constitution?
A decision on this expected by the end of June. And as Casey Baylor tells us tonight, immigrant advocate organizations like We Are CASA watching this case very closely.
A We Are CASA leader says the group feels encouraged the Supreme Court will block the executive order over birthright citizenship. They made their presence known in D.C. Wednesday, hoping to be heard by all.
This whole conversation has been shaped by xenophobia. It's been shaped by racism.
We Are CASA's policy director, Katherine Jackson, says birthright citizenship should not be up for debate.
No parent should have to question whether their child belongs in the country that they are born in, period.
Families rallied outside the Supreme Court Wednesday morning, hoping to remind people of that constitutional right.
This is one of the many, many different tactics that the Trump administration has been taking since he took office to try to push people into questioning their belonging.
Jackson adds the organization has fought on the federal, state, and local level to protect immigrant communities. Last year, We Are CASA filed a lawsuit against President Trump's executive order on birthright citizenship. They argue birthright citizenship is guaranteed within the 14th Amendment and in a federal statute.
What is at stake right now is that the case is about equal citizenship in America.
Meanwhile, the Solicitor General argued in court Wednesday the right doesn't belong to children who have parents in the country illegally or temporarily.
It operates as a powerful pull factor for illegal immigration and rewards illegal aliens who not only violate the immigration laws, but also jump in front of those who follow the rules.
Jackson adds We Are CASA won an injunction on their lawsuit, but right now it's paused. She says the Supreme Court's hearing is critical for its members because the Supreme Court's decision will determine the next steps on their case. Reporting on your corner in Baltimore City, I'm Casey Baylor for WJZ.
Casey, thank you.